First, let's look at the key. On the top left is the lock button. Double-click to activate the alarm. Long press to close all the windows. On the bottom left, there's the unlock button. Long press to open the windows. Long press the top right button to open or close the trunk. Press the button to pause the process. The bottom right button is for remote parking, which is not available for now. Turn on the power. Moving on to the instrument cluster. On the left is the current speed. In the middle, there is the car animation. Open or close the door, there'll be changes on the model. Below is the gear position. On the right, we can switch the instrument cluster menu from media to tire pressure. Or trip information. We can use the lever to switch the gear to R gear, N gear, D gear, or P gear. Moving on to the steering wheel. There are some buttons on the steering wheel. We can use the leftmost buttons to activate or deactivate the intelligent driving function. Use the up or down button to adjust the speed. Left or right button to adjust the following distance. On the right, pull up or down the button to adjust the volume. Use the left or right button to switch songs. The top right button can be set as 360 image, rear view mirror adjustment, or other functions. Click the bottom right button to open the instrument cluster menu. These buttons can also be used to adjust the head-up display. The button below is for the voice assistant.
主驾请说。
Moving on to the head unit. In the drop-down menu, there are some shortcuts and widgets. On the right, there is the phone connection widget. Long press to edit the widgets. The upper bar has Account Center, Bluetooth, Network, Volume, and Time. Here is a navigation widget. On the right is a weather widget. Click to refresh the data. Swipe to switch wallpapers. Below are the shortcuts. Click to enter the vehicle settings. Long press to edit the shortcuts. The lower bar includes Home button, Music, and front window defogging. We can swipe to adjust the AC temperature. Click to enter the climate interface. Click the top left button to activate the nature mode and select different modes below. Next, vehicle settings. Telephone, 360 image, energy center, long press to edit the buttons in the lower bar. Here's the app menu. Long press to uninstall the app or check the information. Here are mini programs and the phone connection page. Open the drop-down menu and select Live Desktop. The screen will display a 3D car model with the current weather. We can switch to the Map desktop and the Wallpaper desktop. Now let's try some gestures. Open an app, for example, the Energy Center. We can swipe right to close the app. Swipe up to open the app menu. Or we can use the 5-finger pinch to close the app. To wrap things up, we can take the key, get off the car, and turn off the power.